Dear Montessori mothers, in this video I have come up with two more sounds. Like the one is EW. So when you find these two, one vowel and other is a consonant sound, EW, so you'll pronounce it like oo, like FLEW, that's flew. Some people pronounce it as flew, that is wrong, because they don't have this concept कि EW जब मिलता है तो ऊ साउंड आती है. So that is flew. That is second form of the verb fly, and the third one is flown. Then come to the next, CH. When these two letters combine, they give us just one sound, that is ch. EW, that is chew. So some people call it chew, so that's wrong. So you tell your child that when there is EW, this is oo. And the next is CREW, that is crew. Some people call it crew, और ये बहुत ही common error है. Lot of people say that. अब यहाँ पे आप देखें another example of diphthongs where two vowel sounds, यानी कि double O you can see, but they combine to give a longer sound of O. जब ये दो O मिलेंगे तो O की आवाज़ थोड़ी लंबी हो जाएगी. जैसा O की short sound, you know, O. This is U. That is Z, U, M, zoom. B, L, U, M, bloom. फ्लावर के खिलने के लिए हम ये वर्ड इस्तेमाल करते हैं. B, R, U, M, that's broom. तो कंपैरेटिवली लॉन्गर साउंड बट सिंगल साउंड, दोनों की एक ही आवाज़ है. Moon, that is moon. And then soon. Tune. So in this way you can pronounce the words in which there is two vowel sounds, यानी कि डबल ओ मौजूद है और इसकी ऊ साउंड ज़रा से कदरे लंबी आवाज़ होगी. इसी तरह when डबल ई हो, ये वॉल साउंड्स हैं दोनों, सो यू से रील, वैसे ई की शॉर्ट साउंड होती है ए, like an egg, like an elephant, but here it's comparatively longer. Reel. Peel. Feel. So comparatively longer. And last but not least is seen. So in this video I have discussed three types of sounds with you. When E and W combine तो आपकी आवाज़ आती है ऊ, और देन डबल ओ कंपैरेटिव लॉन्गर साउंड, और देन डबल ई हो तो ई की आवाज़ लंबी हो जाती है ई, लेकिन ए की साउंड आती है. सो आई होप you will be able to guide your child in the best possible way, because you are the Montessori mother. So see you in the next lesson with few more sounds, and eventually ये आपके बच्चे की मिसस्पेल करने की जो आदत है या प्रोनाउंसिएशन एरर है उसको कवर करेगा. So subscribe the channel and like and share. Allah Hafiz.